Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to use the course kit in Canvas. This is something that's just been released, and I'm excited to show you how that works within Canvas. So your institution should set everything up with the course kit if they get accepted into the beta. So once everything is set up, then you're going to create an assignment. So there's two features with Course Kit that I really like. One is you can embed a Google Doc or Google Slideshow or Google Sheet within your assignment window. So you click on More External Tools, and instead of G Suite Google Apps, you're going to choose Google Drive. It will ask you to sign in. So I find this choice works a whole lot better than the G Suite choice. So I'm going to choose my document that I want to include. Now I'm going to click Add. So it does pop up this notification about attaching this will change the sharing setting. I'm going to click Attach, and that embeds that into my assignment. So you can type in whatever else you want for your assignment. This is really important that you put a grade here, so your top amount of points that can be earned. Put 100. And then submission type, you're going to choose external tool, and you're going to click Find. So it depends on how your institution has named the external tool. Your institution, we named it the assignment tool. So there's two different parts of Course Kit. So the embed tool was what I just then used to embed that into my assignment. I'm going to click the assignment tool here. This is going to be similar to a Google Classroom interface where you can submit and see students' assignments that they have submitted. So I'm going to click Select, and then give it a due date, and then we're going to save and publish. So you as the instructor, this is what you see. If you scroll down, this is what your side of Course Kit looks like. So it says no student submissions yet. You can open the assignment here. So I'm going to log in as a student, and I'm going to show you what their side looks like. So here's the student side. So there's the assignment, and here's where the student would submit and work on their assignment. So I'm going to click Open Assignment. This looks similar to Google Classroom if you're used to using that. Students can add files to this assignment. They can create a new doc, a new sheet, or a new slide. So you can see it gives it the title of my name or this account's name, and then the name of the assignment. So I'm going to click on that. We'll just go ahead and add something here. So I'm going to close out of this. And so once again, you can add more files to this. As a student, depending on the assignment. And then we're going to submit. So now I'm going to switch back to the instructor. So you can see here that a student has submitted. So you click on the student's work, and it loads it for you. You can also scroll through all your students' submissions up here. Then you can provide feedback. If you have a comment in the comment bank, then you can add that. and then you can give the work a grade. And then for it to populate or sync the grade in Canvas, you have to return the assignment to the student. So if you go back to grades, there is my grade for this test account there. So that is Course Kit. This is in beta currently as of September 2018. It's coming along very nicely. If you see that you want to see a feature in the Course Kit after you're in there and working on it, then a great way to let Google know your ideas and thoughts is in the Course Kit interface. Click the Help button and click Send Feedback to Google, and they are really quick to respond to that. So be sure to send your feedback. My name is Adam Wiseman again, and follow me on Twitter at AWisemanNC.